Hoje você vai descobrir um dos vícios dos brasileiros. Essas paçocas aqui são de encher o papo. Olá, meu nome é Armstrong e hoje nós vamos aprender a como fazer esse docinho maravilhoso que é viciante para quem mora aqui no Brasil. The word paçoca means crumbles because of its shattering texture. It's also related to several dishes made with cassava flour, but today we are talking about the peanut candy. Take a look with us how to make this delicious candy.
To make this recipe, you will need 100 grams of sugar of your preference, 200 grams of peanuts, and a half teaspoon of salt. The first step is crumbling the peanuts. I'm using this processor, but you can also use a blender or a pesto set. Since my processor is not that big, I will crumble bit by bit. When the previous peanuts are already crumbled, then I add more. The heat of the processor may stuck some peanuts at the borders. Check their texture and process it a little more if it's necessary. When all peanuts look like crumbs, then it's time to increase sugar. I decided to split the crumbs in two parts, so I make sure there's a space enough to mix the sugar properly. Don't forget to check the walls of the recipient, then increase the salt. Put all the mixture in a bowl and with a spatula, check if there is no big grain or pebbled sugar. I'm cutting a cube of feminine in 3 centimeters and a half to shape my paçocas as stopper cards, but you can also use a cutter if you have one. Cutter in hands, increase the crumbles in the middle of it with a teaspoon. Then, using your fingers, press it the max you can. Repeat the process, adding and pressing the crumbles of peanuts inside the cutter. Do that till it reaches the line which is not possible to add or press anything else anymore. With the cutter full to the top, press the dough down slowly till it slides by the cutter, and voila! Do the same with the rest of the crumble till it's finished.
Viram como é super fácil? E agora é aquele momento fantástico que todo mundo adora, mas só eu vou fazer hoje. A degustação. Muito bom. Faz você também. Coloca nos comentários de onde você está fazendo e se você já experimentou essa maravilha aqui. Tchau!